to Clan Academy. Today we're gonna learn ABC about the alphabet. We're gonna learn 3 little words from them. Now let's start. A sounds A. A for apple. B sounds B. B for ball. C sounds K. K for cat. D sounds D. For dog. E says E for egg. F sounds F for fish. G sounds G for goat. H sounds H for house. I sounds E for igloo. J sounds J for jog. K sounds K for kite. L sounds L for lamp. M sounds M for monkey. N sounds N for nest. O sounds A for orange. P sounds P for pencil. Q sounds Q for queen. R sounds R for rat. S sounds S for snake. T sounds T for tiger. U sounds A for umbrella. V sounds V for van. W sounds W for window. X sounds S for elephant. Y sounds Z for yam. Z sounds Z for zebra. Now we're gonna learn 3 little words. C A C cat. B A G bag. C A P cap. C O G dog. Let me teach you how to say the sounds and pronouncements for you. K, A, P, cap. B, A, G, bag. K, A, T, cat. D, A, G, dog. See you next time. Bye.